Anas. Okay lah. Alright. The IP no. Okay, so everyone. in count of 5, as usual, please mute. Because teacher don't want you disturb your friend after this, okay? Because teacher want to explain. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, very good. 4, 5. Okay, good job. Okay, everyone mute already. Anas. Okay, Anas. Assalamualaikum, Anas. Please mute your speaker because teacher want to start right now. Okay. Okay. Ready? Calculation book in front you and then mute your speaker. Okay, everyone. Teacher show my screen. Please look at in front. Okay, if you guys not mute, teacher can help you to mute. Anas. Okay, good. Thank you, Anas. Okay. No. Alright. So, I hope everyone can see. I cannot hear your voice, but if you can see my screen, can you thumbs up? Okay, good. Very good. Very good. Zulaika, Ana. Good, everyone. Okay. So now, look at in front. Actually, teacher want to move to the new topic, but before that, teacher want to repeat again because when I check your activity yesterday, a few of you, so many of you actually, not all of you correct. Answer this one. You still don't know how to read the percentage, so please take notes. Okay, your books in front you, take notes how to read the percentage, and after that, we want to do the activity. So, please use your note to answer carefully. Alright, hi Hadif. Assalamualaikum. Hadif, just look at in front. Irfan Zaim also. Just mute your speaker and look at in front. The rest wait, because I need everyone should be here. Because so many of you wrong this question yesterday. Okay. Alright, so look at in front. Alright everyone, if you look at in front, the question asks you to read the percentage, right? Okay, yesterday, so many of you, let me change the color of the pen. So many of you answer this one, 30%. But that one is wrong. Why wrong? Okay, everyone please take notes on your calculation book. The percentage, the overall must be 100. Like you get the marks inside the class, right? Teacher say, wow, Zulaika, you get 80%. Hana, you get 90%. Okay, so must be over 100. So you look at to your diagram, you look at to your picture. The overall here is not the 100. How many? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's not enough. So it's just 50. Okay, everyone, if you get any problem, you can ask me at the chat box here, okay? Then I can read your problem. Okay, teacher show again, sorry. Okay, now, so look at here back. 30 over 50. So how? You want to make it over 100 like I told you before. So what you need to do? Use your timetable. Look at below. 50 times what equal to 100? Anybody? You can tell me at the chat box. Good job, Wafa. Okay, so now everyone, you must do time with the 2. Okay, I know yesterday Wafa answer correct. Good. Okay, so now, you guys need to time with the 2. Good, Zulaika. Okay, so now, when you time with the 2, the denominator times 2, numerator on the top also need to follow. Remember that you already learned since P3, P2. So, when you time with the 2, your denominator now already changed to 100. But, on the top become different now. It's become 60. So, right now, your fraction can change into percentage. Because it's already over 100. So, now you get 60%. Example, your paper exam. I don't want like this. I want 100. Okay, now, we proceed to the next question that you guys already wrong yesterday. Look at this one. Also same. Irfan listen, Akil listen. Okay, so look at here. The overall is how many, everyone? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So P5, the overall is 10. Now, also cannot change to the percentage because the overall is not 100. So please, so you look at the color part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 10. So, you cannot answer like, okay, teacher, this is the answer is 4%. You are wrong. Why? Look at the denominator. It's not 100. So, what you need to do? Okay. Good job, Hayat. Thank you so much. So, the denominator you guys need to time with 10 to become 100. Good job, Wafa. So, how about the on the top? Follow. Must be follow. So, follow. So, everyone, you want to tell me the final answer? So, overall already 100. 10 times 10. How about on the top? Become 4 times 10. Easy peasy. Table 10. Good job. 40 over 100 is not the fraction yet, okay? Sorry, it's not the percentage yet. Yes, good job. So, everyone, when I check your answer, this one, if you end your answer with this, 40 over 100, like Faya answer, it's not the percentage yet. This is just a fraction. So, what you guys need to do like Wafa and Zulaika right there. I think everyone already understand. So, write 40. What happened to my 4? Sorry, my bad handwriting. I use this one. Okay. 40. Don't forget the symbol percentage. Write the symbol percentage. 40%. Okay, this is your final one. I hope you guys understand how to read the percentage because this is the basic one. Okay, so now, but you imagine if your diagram is over 100, it's okay, no problem. But if your diagram is not the 100, you need to do like this. Okay, alright now. Now, teacher want to proceed the new one. So please take note this one because after this you will play the game. If you cannot understand this one, you will answer wrong. Okay. So everyone can read, right? So what the question want to what the question want you to do? Okay. Yes, Ifan. 60 over? Listen carefully. What your answer is not finished yet, Ifan. Okay, so now everyone look at in front. Take notes. How to convert a percentage to a fraction. Okay, so in the topic percentage, this is what you need to learn after you know the percentage. Okay, first, yes, good job. First of all, you need to change to the fraction. I told you, 60%. That means, like in the exam, you get 60 over 100 overall. But you cannot ending like this because you need to simplify. So, P5, please. If in exam, if you just ending like this, you will not get the answer. You find the answer. If the answer is objective, so you will not get the answer. So, what happened here? Simplify. How you need to simplify? Divide. Find the timetable that you can make it small. Okay, first of all, you can see here. I want to teach you, if on the top have a 0, below also have a 0, first, you can cut. First cut first. After that, you get 6 over 10, right? So, not finished yet. Not finished yet. Because 6 and 10 have in a timetable what? Timetable what? Have 6 and 10. Good job. Okay, for those who can think faster, very good. Alhamdulillah. Very good, everyone. Good job, P5. Good job, Aki, Hana, Irfan. So, you guys divide with the 2. Use the table 2. Okay, I just want to give you advice. If you want to do the simplify, you think the small timetable first. You start with the 2. 2 can or not? If you look at, have. But if 2 cannot, you go to the 3, you go to the 4. Okay, so now, very good. So, 2 times what equal to 6 is a 3. Now, below, 2 times what equal to 10 is a 5. So, this is your final answer. Good job. Everyone, when the question asks you to change the percentage into the fraction, remember this step. First, you change to the percentage. After that, you simplify. This is your final answer. Okay? Alright. Now, teacher proceed with the next question. Then we can do the activity faster. Can everyone, before teacher show you the calculation, you want to try and give me the answer at the chat box. Okay, try. Percentage to a fraction. As usual, change to the fraction first. And then try to simplify. Table what you can use. Okay, this is your fraction. So make it small. Table what? Have 25, have over 100. Maybe table 5. Yes, good job Hadi. Good job Wafa. Proceed. So everyone, good. Your friend already tell you. So proceed with table 5. 1 over 5. 1 over 5, are you sure? Are you sure, Irfan Zaim? Is it 5 over 5? Okay. 2 over 5? Okay. Alright, actually, table, we do what? We can do from what? The small to the next. Okay. So now everyone, you guys said table 5, right? Okay, so we start with the table 5 first. Is it already end or not? If still can, you can do it next. Okay, so 5. 5 times what equal to 5? 5 times what equal to 25? So you guys do it 5. And then over 5 times what equal to 100? So it's 20. So P5, look at here. 5 over 20, you still can make it small. So you can simplify again. Use table what? Good job. So you can do 2 times. Simplify again. You look at to your answer. If ending with cannot simplify anymore, you get the answer. If like that, Arif Hakimi, hi. Okay, good job. 1 over 4. Good, Fayyad. So now, the answer is 1 over 4. Good job, Zulaika. Okay, good job. Okay, so please remember timetable what? 1 by 1 also can use like this. Okay, good job. For those who not get the answer yet, you can copy this one because this is your note. After this, we want to play the game. If you not understand, you will be confused. Okay, teacher proceed to the next question. Okay. If before this, I ask you to, from percentage, you need to change to the fraction. How about the question will ask you the fraction to the percentage? Why Arif? You want to copy? You want to copy the answer? What happened? Yes. Okay. The most important is the question like this. First. Okay. The most important is what happened? Silent, mute. Okay, so the first thing you must to change to the fraction. After that, simplify, Arif. Okay. Sorry, teacher open back. Okay. Alright, good. So that is the important thing. Okay, the step. Okay, now can I go to the next? Arif, are you okay? Already copy? Okay. Alright, now opposite. How to convert a fraction to a percentage? Before this, teacher give you the percentage, then you proceed to the fraction. Now, the question we ask you the percentage to go to the, the question we ask you the fraction to go to the percentage. So, what you need to do first, you write, like you read the, look at here. Okay, so, yes, who said time that one? Zulaika, you said time, very good. So, what you need to do, you have 2 ways how to do. The first way, the first method, you can do like this. Time, 100. Okay. So, what happened here? You know not how to use this one. Okay, teacher change my color. So, I hope then you can understand. Okay, so if you get the question like this, on the top, please take notes, okay? This one you need to time. So, below, you need to divide. Okay, so 300 divide 4. Okay, sorry. If you do like this, teacher change this one. 300, you get 300, right? You cannot do this one. So teacher erase for a while. You get 300 over 4 and then simplify. Wow, you can say, teacher, it's so big. The number is so big. Okay, so think. Alright, so you simplify, okay, P5. Alright, so 300. You get 300 divide 4. Okay. So, what you need to do? 75? Good job. So, that means your answer is 75%. Is it correct? So, this one you can simplify. Okay, you can use the method. How many of you, everyone, can you unmute for a while? I want to hear your voice.
Hello.
Okay, good. How many of you still don't know how to use the method cut like this? Cut like this. Teacher show you again. Cut like this. Okay, 4 times what? 4 times 2. So on the top is 150. Difficult for you, right? Because you cannot think the timetable so fast. So use the second method, which is this one. No. Okay, Hana, no. Okay, so okay, teacher show you 2 methods. This one you can cut also. 2 times 1, 2 times 75. Like Fayat get the answer before. But I know you guys cannot think the timetable so fast. So you can do the second method. Like I show you before, 300. Like Fayat get the answer already. Divide 4. Okay, I think this method you already learned since P3, P4. So, 3 cannot. It's a 7 here. 7 times what? 7 times 4 equal to what, P5? 20? 28. Good job. So now the balance is? Like your friend already answer. 20. No? What happened, Arif? So 4 times what equal to 20? 4 times 5.
5.
Yeah. So you will minus below. Teacher don't have the space here. So your final answer should be 75. Don't forget the symbol, percentage. Yesterday, how many of you answer without the symbol? Teacher already check. Look at your answer after this. No symbol, no. It's not the percentage. Okay. I think P5 you understand this method, right? This one no. This one cut, you will be confused. So do like this. If you get the fraction, if fraction to the percentage, please time 100. 100% that means. So 3 times 100 divide 4. Please take notes. After this we want to play the game. Okay. If anyone want to write, can write. Okay, for those who already done, good. We proceed. I think the last question before we try to answer the exercise. Arif Hakimi, are you okay? You always say no. I don't know you understand or not. Okay, just yes, good. Okay, first you remember the step. Okay, if the question want fraction to the percentage, I need to time with 100%. Time with 100%. Take notes. So, this is how you do. Okay. Take note. Then this is 3 on the top time 100 divide 4. Okay, P5. Can I proceed to the last question before we play the game? Or you want to write? Or you want to copy? No. Okay. So if you guys ready, you unmute. Then teacher can know who ready. You're ready. Good job. Anas ready. Naura ready. Fayat ready. Good. Very good. You guys ready to the next question? Last question, you unmute. Sorry, you mute. Ahana ready. Good job. Good job, Arif. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, now everyone mute already. Okay, good. So I just look at any problem. I just look at to this one. Yes. Oh, Akil have. Hi, Akil. Alright. So now we proceed to the next. Same. Teacher give you the next question. Can you try to do first? Same method. The question will give you the fraction. Ask you to change to the percentage. You remember the step teacher tell before? Oh, I need to time with the 100. So, you do the step one by one first. Okay. Okay, teacher, I do 2/5 times 100. So, what you need to do? You write first, then you can see. Then I change my color, then you can understand. 40%. Irfan Zaim, you get 40%? We look at to others' answer first. Is it same with you? Oh, Fayat also 40%. Okay. We'll see the others. Is it correct or not? Okay, so this one you need to time. Below one you need to divide. 25? Hadif get 25? We'll see who are correct, who are wrong. Anyone? Zulaika 40%, okay. Hadif, are you okay? You sure 25? 2 times 100, Wafa 40. Arif 40. Akil 40. Majority is 40%. Something wrong with you, Hadif. So, 2 times 100 is a 200. Yeah, good. Then divide with 5. You already know how to divide. Easy. So now, 5 times what equal 20? Yes, good job, P5. Hadif, check your answer, okay? Your friend correct? Something wrong? Good, Akil. Akil Ikhwan. Good job. So, please do like this. 40%. 0 minus 0. Don't be so fast. Do the step by step. If not, you will be wrong. So, I told you, your final answer, if you just put 40 like this, you are wrong. Because the question 1, percentage. Without symbol, you will be lost your mark. Okay. Anas, you get the answer? Everyone? Okay, now, so, everyone, before teacher go to the next question, let we go one by one first. What the first thing we do? This one, remember, for those who answer wrong before this, please remember, overall, teacher repeat again, okay, before we play the Kahoot. Okay, the first question I told you, for those who come late, Arif, Akil, okay, look at here, Akil, Ikhwan, okay. So now, sorry, Akil Ikhwan come early, Akil Izzuddin. Okay, now, so look at here. If you get the question like this, make sure the overall is 100. Then, you follow. The denominator must be followed. Because the overall here is 50, so 50 cannot be the percentage. So, your friend told me before, you need to time with the 2. So, how many of you answer 30%? Is it you, Anas? Okay. Don't. Okay, now, look at the next example. Same. The overall is 100, so cannot be the percentage until your friend said you time with the 10 on the top. So, the numerator also need to follow. So, it's become 40 over 100. I repeat again, okay? For you to can answer the game very well after this. Alright, Harif Hakimi, focus. Okay, so this is the what I told you before, percentage to the fraction. You need to, the first step, make a fraction. After that, simplify. Okay, good. Take notes. Same. Make a fraction, simplify. Over 100, okay? Now, this one, fraction to the percentage, time with the 100. And then you do this one. Time, divide. Okay, use this method lah. I know you guys don't know this method, so use this method. Don't use this one. Okay, so last. You do already 40%. Good job. Okay, now everyone, we are ready to play the Kahoot. Let me off my screen first, then I can see your face. How to stop presentation? Okay, so everyone unmute. Okay, so last week, before we start play the game, Masya Allah, I can see Hadif right now. Hadif, are you okay? You just wake up from sleep? Okay. Okay, so now, everyone, last week we played the Kahoot game. Anyone have a problem to enter the Kahoot? Tell me before we play. No, okay. Alright, so just get ready. Same like last week. Please, ready with the Kahoot.it. Teacher show you. For those who have another device, you can write on your phone. But if cannot, just add the new tab on the screen. Okay, teacher show. Okay, same like last week. New tab. Where is my Kahoot? Okay, so you take time first. It's okay, teacher wait for you. Teacher also write for those who just come like this. Like we play inside the class Kahoot.it. Okay. Kahoot.it, okay, game pin, wait Not yet. Okay, so okay, ready for the game pin? Everyone? Okay. Alright, good. So today today we learn about the convert percentage to the fraction. So you guys answer this one. Okay. I hope everything clear. Then you can see the question. Wait, take time. Time. It's loading. Just look at in front. Sorry, take your time. Okay. Where is the peak? Sorry, I look at I open your chat box here, then I can read your problem. What you said? Wait. Loading. Can see my screen? Okay. There is a game pin. 126270. 126270. Yeah, so you guys here, 15 of you should have 15 name in front. Kimi, Irfan Zaim, good job. Kilikwan, yes. Hadif, okay. Zulaika Hana, good job. Aki Zudin, Wafa, very good. Waiting for your friends. Naura, okay. So 14 minus 2, 12 of you. Should be 12 of you. I know you are it. Okay. So another 3. Anas not yet. Who are not yet here? Hana already. Right now 14 minus 2, 12. Should be 12 of you on the screen. Who are not here? Anas, Okay, it's okay. Fayad. Oh, Fayad. Okay, Fayad, Saiful, Anas. One more. Okay, so P5. Before we start the game, can everyone mute? Then you not disturb your friend. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay. Then your friend can focus with the question. Mute. One more. Anas not enter yet. Please mute. If not, I can help you to mute before we start play the game. Mute. Okay. One more person. Anas, guys, look at your screen. Don't make it blank. If not, you're automatically out. See? 9 player right now. Why Anas you cannot? You go to the you enter the kahoot.it here. Last week also you have a problem. Okay, now and then write the keyword here. Game pin. 126270. Everyone, can you help teacher to key in the game pin here? Then Anas can see 126270 at the chat box. 126270. Then your friend can see the game pin. Thank you. Thank you Hadi. Thank you Akil. 11. One more. Anas, look at your friend already give you the pin. Thank you. Thank you P5. Okay, let me check. While waiting for Anas, I want to check who are not mute yet. Who are not mute yet? Okay. Let me check who are not mute yet. Good job, P5. Okay, so the sound is come from me, I think. Okay, so now let me check. Let me see. Anas, are you okay? Let me see the screen right now. Okay, so everyone look at your screen. Okay. 10 player should be 12. 11. Good. Anas, come on Anas, don't waste the time. Your friend waiting for you. Cannot. What happened? No, you need to go to the new tab. Write the new tab and then write kahoot.it and after that will be open. Don't. Why you quit the meeting? Don't quit the meeting. You go to the new one. The new. You use phone How Yeah, the new tab. Your friend already helped you. The new tab. You can see my screen. Okay, this is your meeting, right? This is your meeting. Oh, sorry. This is your meeting. So now you go to the new tab. That teacher show you the Kahoot here. And then right here, kahoot.it. So teacher will show you the question here. Anas play on mobile. Okay. If you leave the meeting, you cannot see the question. Okay. Hadif, don't say to your friend like that. Teacher will kick you. Where is Hadif here? Here. I told you I can kick you. Okay. Alright, so. Okay. Teacher don't want to waste the time. Anas. Are you here, Anas? You don't want me to kick you? Careful. Okay. Alright. Anas, are you okay or not? Anas? Your friend waiting for you right now. What, Anas? Cannot. You use phone Did you use phone? Sorry everyone. Okay, Anas. Okay guys, teacher don't want to waste your time because 10, almost 10:40 already. Okay, so everyone look at the screen. Ready? Anas, later teacher will read the, you just write kahoot.it, teacher read the question. Then you click. Okay? Write kahoot.it. And then you look at a screen in front and teacher will read the question for you. You just write kahoot.it on your screen. Okay, now go. Okay, everyone ready? In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You have the problem, tell me at the chat box here. Anas, you write kahoot.it, teacher can read the question for you. Okay, sorry everyone. I open back. Sorry. Okay. 90%. Yeah, if you understand very well, you can answer faster. But don't be so careless. Anas, the question is 90%. You can write on your calculation books and tell me the answer. 90% convert into fraction. What you get? 6 of you already answer. Remember the step teacher show you early class. First, change to the fraction and then simplify. That is a step. Change to the fraction and simplify. Easy peasy. Anyone? Very good. Should be 8 of you. Anas, you can try 90 over 100. Then what you get? 9 of you already answer. Teacher wait. Oh! Who asked 6 of you? Wait. One person not answer yet. Who left? Who left the Kahoot? 6. The total is 10. One person not answer. Any problem? You can tell me at the chat box here. Yeah. Easy peasy actually, you just cut 0. 90 over 100. Okay. Let me see the ranking. Please remember and know who are wrong. What happened to Saiful? 9 over 10. The answer is 9 over 10. You cannot simplify anymore. Okay. Wow. Good job. For those who don't have name here, don't give up. Wait, the total, I'm wrong. Don't give up. I'm correct. Good job, Wafa. Okay. So, next question. Actually, 12 of you. What happened to 12 of you? You can enter 11 of you. The person who answered before this only 10. One person have a problem. Okay. Alright now, 68 over 100. Anas, 68 over 100. Convert the percentage to a fraction. Slowly simplify, one by one. If you think can simplify, again and again do. Ay. How can you say wrong, Aki? This one, the before one or what? Oh, okay. Just do it, this one. 68 over 100 and make it small and small and small. Don't worry, teacher give you a long duration. Don't answer so fast, carefully. Be careful. 68 over 100. What timetable you can use? If you think can simplify again, simplify and simplify and simplify until you cannot simplify anymore. 6% already answer. Good job. We are waiting for actually 5%. 7 of you already. You say so long. But you can answer carefully, Arif. Don't answer so fast but wrong. But I know like you are the first before this. We'll see after this. Everyone fight with Arif. Then, good job. Teacher wait for I think another 1%. It's okay for the person who are not answer this one. You still have a time. 98 seconds. Teacher give you a long duration because I know you need to think to simplify. Look at the answer. I want to see who are wrong after this. Answer faster but wrong. Ha ha! Masya Allah. Who are wrong, P5? Okay, you guys. The 4 of you. The 4 of you, Alhamdulillah, very good. Who answer triangle? Who answer diamond? Who answer square? Or you just random answer? Naura wrong. Why? First, you simplify using table what? First, you can simplify with the table 2. And then you simplify again, table 4. Okay, take notes. For the question before this, you can use table 4. Okay? So, 68 over 100 divide 4. So, good job. Don't give up. We see the ranking here. Oh, just change Irfan and Hakimi. The rest still same. Who are not, don't have a name here, don't give up. Yeah, Irfan, you use table 2, but after that you see, you still can make it small. Divide 2 again. Okay, so everyone don't give up. Let me see fraction to the percentage. Now it's opposite. Who already answered that? You count or not? You count or not? You already click. 9 over 20. Arif. Okay. I cannot help you, Kimi. So, 9 over 20. Teacher teach you already. You need to time with 100. Everyone do the calculation. 9 over 20 times 100. Good job for those who already answer. Hakimi, teacher cannot help you. Accidentally. Yes. Time 100. 9 times 100 divide 20. Slowly. Slow and what your friend say? Slowly but correct. Good. Akimi, I think you need to move your anything device you use to a little bit far from you. Then you will not accidentally click. 7 of you, good job. You still have a time. Divide properly. Divide 20. Good job, 8 of you. Arif, what your answer actually? You accidentally click, you click what? Triangle, diamond, square or circle? If you are lucky, you click the correct one. 127 seconds. Oh, yellow, okay. We'll see if you are lucky, you are correct. But you can count right now. You answer correct or not? Yellow. I don't know. That is the answer or not. Wow, 7 of you. Increase right now. But still have someone wrong. Anyone who are wrong? 4 of you wrong. Hadi wrong? Accidentally click blue. You count or not? Now you correct, Aki. Very good. Okay, good job. 7 of you. It's too many. 4 of you don't give up. So, yeah, really, Saiful, we see. Wow. So, only have a girl there, Hannah. Naura, Zulaika, come on, fight with the boy. Okay. I hope I have a lot of girl here. Naura is the higher climber. Okay, so next question. Good job. The rest don't give up. Arif Hakimi, careful, don't accidentally anymore. Good job. Okay, fraction to percentage again. 3/5. Use the same method. I hope everyone correct after this. Time 100. Wow, who answer fast that one? Who answer so fast that one? You correct or not? 2% already answer. Anas, you also can try to answer on your calculation book. 3/5 times 100. Do the exercise. 3/5 times, times 100. 3 times 100. Divide 5. 9 of you already answered. Good job. 10. Please everyone, I want to see all of you correct this one. Oh no! Who are wrong? 10 of you already correct. Good job. Who are you? Who are wrong? Anyone? Arif? Is it you, Agimi? I wish all of you correct. Yes. Oh, what happened? Okay, good job. Alhamdulillah. Okay, next. Wow. Have a fire there. Irfan, Aki, Saiful, Hana, Payat. The rest, don't give up. Okay. The question number what? This one. Okay, let's see. Okay, number 5. Ready? Okay, everyone. Look at the diagram carefully. How many the color region over how many? Be careful. Over how many? And then you need to change to the percentage. Do it one by one. Don't be so fast but wrong. First count the colored part over overall. And then time 100. Because you need to change to the percentage. Wow, who already answered that one? I hope you correct. Answer faster but wrong. 2%, 3%. Sure? We see. Be careful. The first step, you count the color part over overall. The question want the percentage. So, fraction to the percentage. Time 100. 4 of you, very good. I'm the second person to answer. Good. We'll see, Saiful. I hope you correct. 4 of you. The rest, answer slowly but correct. Don't be so fast but careless. Good job. 4 of you. You still have a time. Good. 5 of you. Good. 6 of you. 7 of you. Fast but correct. Alhamdulillah. That's I want. 8 of you. Good job. Wow. Why? Why? Anyone? Why? 7, 8, 9. Why? Who are not answer? Who do have time to answer? Who do have time to click? Okay. So, 5 of you correct. Good job. Wait, I'm confused right now. Why 7, 9, 9? 3 of you not answer. Any problem? Okay, let me see. Still the same person. Good job. Who are not, don't have name here. Naura, don't give up. Wafa, don't give up. Fayat, don't have time. Okay. So everyone, good job. Okay, next question. Naura, yeah. You don't have a time to answer. I think I give a long duration. I did not click skip. Okay, look at the question properly. Which one the correct one? Hey, wow. Who answered that one? So fast? 2%? 3%? Aye, so fast. Sure? You need to change to the fraction. Wow, so many of you answer faster. We don't know. I hope all correct for those who answer faster this one. You need to choose which one the correct one. 8 of you already. Waiting for 3. Okay. Everyone don't touch anything. I'm worried you accidentally click and okay, 1% more. I think 1, 2. Okay. Oh no. See, I told you. You answer faster but wrong. Who answered the square one? 1/2 equal to 20%. Everyone, all the question here you need to time with 100. So then you know the percentage. Good job for answer triangle. See, I told you, you not just answer but wrong. Use the method I give to you before. So we see. 4 of you, who are you? Alhamdulillah, very good. Irfan, Aki, Saifu, Hana. This is the same ranking. Who are not here? It's okay, don't give up. Wafa, Naura, Zulaika. Don't give up. Huh? I click red but green. Huh? Are you sure? Anyone click for you? Wow, it's very mystery, I don't know. Are you sure? Okay, so I think this is the last. Akimi, it's weird. Okay. Now, last question. You want to ending our class? Yeah, then I know what you feel right now. Just click. This one no need to think. Are you okay? Okay, oh. Yeah, good job. Okay. So, everyone, let me see the final result. KO. Okay. Saifu number 3. Number 2, Akil. Is it number 1? Irfan Zaid. Who are the number 4, 5? Number 4, Hana. Number 5, Wafa. Good job. The rest don't give up. At least you correct. You understand what you already learned today. Okay, so everyone unmute. Teacher want to see? Then we can talk each other. Alright. Yeah. What happened? What happened before? It's weird. Akimi, are you sure someone clicked for you? It's weird.
Sure, what if I use calculator?
Who do that? Who do that? Who do that? Hey, you guys tomorrow Ramadan, don't do like that. Tomorrow already Ramadan, Syaitan already be tight. But you guys, don't do like that. So P5, are you ready for celebrate? Not celebrate, welcoming Ramadan. Yes. Yeah. Actually this night already Tarawih. Maybe. Yeah, we cannot go to the masjid because quarantine day, right? Yeah, tomorrow Ramadan. Okay. So, boys, girls, you just Tarawih at your house. Yeah, selamat berpuasa everyone. Happy Ramadan. See you. Miss you. Okay. Happy Ramadan. Can't wait for Ramadan. Yeah, boleh sedekah. Very good. If you sedekah during Ramadan, you get a lot more, double, triple pahala.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, aku. Teacher.
Ah,
Adam dia mesej saya.
ha.
Dia kata,
What happened?
aku kelas ke belum?
Oh, alah, Adam ni baru bangun ke?
Ya, apa?
Hai, dah pukul 11. Habis dah kelas. Already finish. Adam ni. Okay. So, happy Ramadan Zulaika, Aki, Anas, Pak Ayat, who's that? Hadif. Bye Hana, Siras Naura, Zulaika. Don't forget to fasting. You P5 already.